Welcome to MedFit Zone. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating structure of the human heart and how it works to keep us alive. Stay tuned to learn more about this incredible organ. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative health videos. Did you know your heart beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping nearly 2,000 gallons of blood? But how does it do this incredible job? Let's explore the anatomy and functions of the most hard-working organ in your body, the human heart. Heart is a muscular organ. The size of heart is about the size of your fist, and its weight is 300 grams in adults. Heart is responsible for pumping blood through blood vessels by contraction. Anatomy of heart. There are 4 chambers of the heart. Right atrium receives oxygen-poor blood from the body. Right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs for oxygenation. Left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs. Left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the entire body. How blood circulate through the heart? Deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium from the body. It moves into the right ventricle and is sent to the lungs via the pulmonary artery. The lungs oxygenate the blood, which then enters the left atrium. Oxygen-rich blood is pumped into the left ventricle, which sends it to the entire body through the aorta.